most people now are eating according to an ideology, not biology. And that can be very problematic because it's not looking at certain things like stress. Stress changes your digestion. Okay. Hormones matter. Your trauma load matters. Ancestry matters. Your activity levels matter. Okay. So when we're running around just, eating because of some philosophical belief about something, that's probably not nourishing your body. It's only nourishing your feelings. And your feelings can often be big fat liars in terms of what's actually going on and what's present. Because, do you feel that way it's okay, but that's a topic for another. That's a topic for another one too. But your feelings are not always telling the truth. Okay. We'll say that your feelings are not always telling the truth. Your emotions can be big fat liars a lot of the time. Okay. But food, it's not just calories, it's information, it's chemistry, frequency, memory, it's minerals and amino acids and light exposure and energy. There's so much more to it than just, what we like, oh, it's got this in here and this in here and this in here. And not only that, it might have X amount of grams of and micrograms of all these vitamins, minerals, macros, everything, micro and macronutrients. It's got all of these in there. That doesn't mean that that's what your body is actually taking and utilizing. So everything is completely different. Okay. And that's what I'm saying. This blanket nutritional information or blanket advice ignores individual biology. And we definitely don't do that over here. Jess doesn't do that. That is not spiritual nutrition at all. Because you need to be aligned with what's going to be nourishing for you. And that's going to be different from everybody else. Okay. So if anybody out there that you know of is just like really struggling with what to eat, I don't know what to do. Do I follow the food pyramid? Do I flip it over like we've done recently? I mean, flip it over if you're going to follow it at all. But it's not as simple as like just eat according to this, because there's always going to be people who cannot eat according to that. There's always going to be something going on. Somebody's allergic to something. Somebody is not able to process proteins properly. There are so many different things that could be going on inside of your body that are going to make you process things differently than the person sitting next to you.